Welcome to the Whitehaven Branch Library, where every day we explore. It's a journey, and we have so much to offer at the branch. We are doing so many amazing things as it relates to virtual programming, customer service, you name it in Whitehaven. We are doing so many great things in the community, and we want to thank you for being a part of greatness. The Whitehaven Library, located at 4120 Mill Branch, is the place to be. We have things for all of our children, teens, tweens, young adults, and seniors. Every day it's a daily journey where you can explore, where you can read, where you can get on the computer. We have programs galore for everybody in the community. So stop by. My name is Robin Ballard. I am the new branch manager, and we love Whitehaven. The staff is here to serve you. We are your civil servants, and we want to thank you each and every day for making our jobs that much easier. So thank you, and please come back anytime to the Whitehaven Branch Library. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Letha. And here in the children's area, we have easy fiction and nonfiction, juvenile fiction and nonfiction, magazines, parent-teacher items, and graphic novels.
Hello, my name is Rick Middlebrook. Welcome to the Whitehaven Branch Library Fiction Section. The Fiction Section is probably the most circulated section in the library. Come along with me and I'll show you a little bit about the section. The Fiction Section is arranged alphabetically from the author's last name beginning with A and proceeding all the way down to Z. Come along with me. I would like to show you my favorite authors section this way. This section are the M's. Walter Mosley is my favorite author. Over the years, I have read most of his work. My favorite one is Devil in a Blue Dress. If you would proceed over this way, I would like to show you probably our most circulated author in the fiction section. This section here has the author James Patterson. According to publishing statistics, 1 out of every 17 books sold is a James Patterson book. James Patterson's work began here and goes all the way to here. James Patterson a James Patterson book is probably checked out every day.
Hi, I'm Jackie Henderson. I'm the circulation representative here. I would like to let you come and take a stroll with me through our books. These are our classicals over here. We have classical for students who do projects, put reports and projects. We have all types of classicals, A to Z, all the way around. Then we also have DVDs over here. They're $2 a DVD, and you can keep them for 7 days. Then we have books on DVD. They're 50 cents a DVD, and if you get one with 6 in there, they're $3, and they're for 21 days. Then we also have music. music. Just get the music, the Silver Soul is 50 cents a CD, and it's for 21 days also. So we have a lot to offer. Come and enjoy with me, explore our branch.